Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create a subtask and assign it to a task in your account on Freedcamp. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your project. Inside your Freedcamp account, select tasks and then choose a task here. Now, inside the task menu, guys, you will see this option, Add Subtask. Click into it and treat this subtask form the same way as you would when creating a regular task. So you may give it a title here, Subtask 01, describe it here, assign someone to it, set a status. Let's go with in progress, for example, start date from that calendar, due date, and so on and so forth. And then you may assign attachments here, set it to recurring mode, click into create, and now guys, you will see the subtask. You will see the subtask here under that list, right? So that you may click into it and set it as complete, for instance, and you will see also the subtask listed here, right? With the number of subtasks for the given task. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.